It looks like quite a situation down there. Look at him go. He's running. Are they gonna catch him? We don't know. Oh, he's running. He's still running. Oh, he in trouble now. The police are everywhere. Are you seeing this? No. I'm a helicopter. Stop! No! Oh, he said no. Beep, 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 beep. Missile inbound. What? Deploying flares. We're going down. And that was the last we saw of those villagers. Villager number 14 was apprehended later as he tried to escape the village. Police had placed down stingers, and they proved to be too much for villager number 14. Huh?